even?
I'm ready, Tombi. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you all ready?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes.
It all began long dala time ago.
Ixesha lamandulo lived a woman named Manzandaba.
And my husband, Uzenzele.
Ewe, mfosiwa.
We live in a small traditional Zulu village, Le KwaZulu.
Yebo. Mama, sifune amabali, mama. Sifune amabali. We want stories, mama. We want stories.
Oh, yini bantwana bami? What stories can I tell you, my children?
Anazi, mama. Mfosiwa, you must go and search for stories. Uyokhangela amabali.
Ndiyahamba ndisendleleni ndiyokhangela amabali. Ambuya, wena ogxumagxuma sa onezindlebe ezinkulu abalele. Yelelelele, yelelelele, yelelelele. As we do not have ends.
Story. That's time for stories. Ha ha! Ha ha!
Please help me to call food. Open the closet. One, two, three. We came to the bottom of the ocean where the spirits people.